This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling developer mode, which unlocks firmware access. This erases local data, so back up first. Next, verify your Chromebook model and whether it supports CBIOS or a writable firmware. This determines the path. Once done, prepare a stable internet connection and ensure the battery is charged. Make sure you have a local admin password for temporary accounts. These steps let you modify firmware safely and proceed without a USB installer, because you'll use network-based installation and firmware flashing tools. Now you flash firmware to allow booting windows. Run the Chromebook firmware utility script to enable legacy boot or install a UEFI replacement. Follow prompts carefully and keep power connected. After firmware is ready, set up a network boot server or a local SMB/HTTP share to host the Windows 10 image, so the device will pull the installer over the network. Once booted into the Windows installer, partition the drive for Windows and proceed with installation. Make sure to load hardware drivers during setup for Wi-Fi and touchpad support. Finish by completing Windows 10 out-of-box setup and installing drivers specific to your Chromebook model. Use manufacturer or community driver packs to get audio, Wi-Fi, and touchpad functional. Once stable, restore your backups and enable Windows Update and a recovery plan. If you hit problems, black screen, missing drivers, or boot loops, first recheck firmware settings and try safe mode. If network install failed, verify your PXE/HTTP share paths and DHCP options. In worst cases,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.